Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indahar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. Happy Easter to everyone. It's coming up. Today, I'd like to touch on three topics that are interesting in Milpitas, looking at inventory and interest rates and how that affects the current market. Open house activity that I had this past weekend. Love to share that with you. That's been great. And then some sales that have closed, pending sale, and then some coming soon. So let's dive right into interest rates. So the Feds met recently and they have not cut the interest rate yet, although there's rumors and prediction that we're looking at 3 interest rate cuts throughout the remainder of the year. So if that happens, we'll see mortgage rates probably come down a little bit, not a lot. And if buyers are waiting for that to happen, it's certainly not going to affect the home prices, and home prices continue to go up. Inventory is starting to rise a little bit more. Like today, we have 17 homes for sale in the city of Milpitas. There's actually 21 pending sales in Milpitas. So you have a tremendous amount of activity and sales going on. And if you, like I said, if you're waiting for prices to come down, that's not happening. So let me talk about my sale I had last week, 871 Beaver Creek Way in San Jose. It's the 5-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse, beautiful corner lot, listed at 998,888. It's pending just a little bit over $1 million. Had 3 offers. And the seller's very excited on that property. So let's talk about open house activity too. I had 1027 Matterhorn Court in Milpitas open over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We had about 25 families through on Saturday and about another 15 families on Sunday. The price point on that is $1,298,888. It's a great starter price range that did bring in quite a bit of activity. And that's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath in the Senate Elementary School. It needs some updating. With the seller, we decided not to update and let the buyer do that. Offers are due actually tomorrow on that property. So hopefully I can share with you some good news next week. And then the other property was 289 Autry Street in Milpitas. That's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's in the Sunny Hills area, up near the end of the street in a cul-de-sac. Really great location, completely remodeled. I mean, this is a dollhouse. It's the seller had bought 2 years ago, and it was freshly redone by that seller. And the current seller is being transferred to Indiana, but he's a Google employee, and so he has a VA loan on the property, and the loan balance is $1,450,000. But the good news is the interest rate is 3.625%, and it is an assumable loan. He's willing to let his VA eligibility go, so you don't have to be a veteran in order to assume that mortgage. So the price point on that home is $1,498,888. We had good activity. Saturday brought in about 20 groups. And then Sunday, there was about 10 groups. So what I'm seeing generally is Saturday is a much more trafficked open house activity than Sunday. But certainly when you add up for the weekend, you get a lot of good exposure on those properties. So the Autry offers are due this Wednesday. So again, hope to share some good news on that one too. So coming soon, I have got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in North Abbott Avenue in the it's in the condo development there toward the end of Abbott. It's a downstairs unit, a 3-bedroom, like I said, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, nicely remodeled. We haven't set a price on that yet. Probably somewhere around $799,000, $800,000 will be the price point for that one. And then 42554 Charleston Way in Fremont. Seller notified me over the weekend. They found a home to purchase in Idaho, so they're actually in flight on the way back. We're getting their home prepped, get them moved out, staged up, and that one will be vacant to show that one probably in about 3 or 4 weeks. The price point on that one is $1,398,888. It's a good neighborhood, good established neighborhood. And then 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,577 square feet, and then it has an additional ADU, which is accessory dwelling unit in the back of the property. We haven't set a price on that. Tenants are moving out this week, so I'll be meeting the seller there next week, and we'll go through that, see what we need to prep it to get it ready to go on the market, and then set the price on that one. And then I've got my coming soon on Blue Ridge, 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. That's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath Hillcrest property, 2,150 square feet. The seller has been working diligently to get their home finished in Georgia so they can finish moving out of the Blue Ridge. We'll paint in and out, do some new flooring, carpeting, and prep up the landscaping front and back to make it look really, really nice. That is Senate Elementary School, and we'll be repricing that one also as it comes onto the market. So I do have inventory coming up. I do have pending sales, so a lot of good activity. If you want to jump in and get your home ready, please give me a call, 408-945-8988, or an email, giordanodj@aol.com. Look forward to talking to you. Thank you, and see you next week. Bye-bye.